Hey, what's up, guys? Whit here, back with another painting tutorial. Today I'm going to just kind of tweak an old painting that it's not actually that old. A painting that I did a couple weeks ago that, as it sat around, I just liked it less and less. It's a really small painting. It's a 4x4, and I just not really happy with it. There's a few issues just kind of with the tone of the trees. I think I want them to be a little bit darker. I want the foreground to be a little bit lighter, and they're just kind of the same tone. Also, the water just is too perfect. It doesn't look like real water, where I feel like water should kind of have a little more irregularity to it. You don't actually go into nature and see a perfect kind of curving river like that. But this was kind of just like a small afterthought painting that I just kind of whipped up with some leftover paints. As you can see, I've already been painting today, so I'm just, decided it'd be fun to kind of tweak one. So I'm gonna just jump right in. Maybe take a little bit of this dark color. And this is, the idea of this is just kind of do something really quick. I'm not trying to spend a bunch of time doing this, just showing that, it doesn't take a lot of time or a lot of effort to change a painting. So if you have a painting that's been sitting around maybe on that you've done that you're not really happy with, just play with it a little bit. Sometimes you're afraid to break something that you've already made, and that's okay. It's okay to be afraid. It's okay to kind of take some risks. I might even get a little more risky because these trees right here, these on this side are perfect, and these on this side are almost perfect too. They're almost identical. It's like, when are you going to see that in nature? I wanted to kind of feel a little more like nature, so who knows? I might go ahead and just bring this one up and just take some real big risks. I don't know, and just see kind of what happens. Taking some risks. Why not? If I decide, oh no, I don't like that, just take a little bit of a paper towel and just kind of scrub it out. Not that big of a deal. So it's it's oil paint, and dries kind of slow, and the paint on this is already kind of dry, so I can kind of scrape away stuff and play around, kind of like see what I want to do. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just play around a little bit. And right here too, in the horizon, I just want to make that a little bit darker too. Give it a little bit of a dark horizon. If you don't mind, I'm actually going to tilt this up just a little bit. My light over here is not great. I don't know if, let me look at the camera real quick and see how that looks. Or maybe I'll fold up this little rag right here. Prop it up a little bit with this rag. Sorry guys. I don't really have I have a little, I do have a little bit of a, like, easel over there, but over here I don't really have a tiny easel, so I'm just kind of painting a little bit flat. Maybe I'll tilt this a little bit so then you guys can see it from my angle. And then move it back just a touch. There. And then maybe zoom in just a little bit. Wait, let's maybe I'll do this. Zoom in just a little bit. All right, cool. Yep, so I'm just gonna play around with this for a minute and just kind of see what I can do. Make it a little bit of a darker, kind of bluish, brownish color, blackish, maybe get a little bit of yellow in there, make it greenish. Yep, so I'm just mixing together a little bit of ultramarine blue, burnt umber, and deep yellow, just a little bit. Just kind of get like a little bit of a, oh yeah, I like that. Just get a little bit of dark texture. This is such a small painting too, I almost have to hold it still while I'm doing it. Yeah, I kind of like that already a lot better. Even that, you can see it's just a big improvement to the painting. I feel like it's already a lot better. I'm not, obviously I'm not going to finish here. Still, I have a lot I want to kind of do with it, but I just feel like that improved the painting a lot to just kind of darken up those trees. Yeah, and I feel like the sky too. I don't know, I'm not really vibing with the sky. I want to maybe kind of make it a little bit grayer or something. All right, I'm gonna kind of maybe mix up a little bit of a green that I can use in this foreground. Get just a touch light. Yeah, just get some. Yeah, I think actually I want to use this color too in my water, just get my water a little less perfect. I don't want my water to be super perfect, so just kind of, you know, tweak my water a little bit, just get it a little more random. That looks good. Yeah, see, I already like that a lot better. It's just way more random. Looks more real than trying to make something look perfect, right? You just get a little random with it and then it starts to look more real. So, yeah, but I'm just using some dark color. I'm just trying to get a little bit more like darkness in it. Give it a little more texture and different tones up in the grass. And for the grass, I'm just, by the way, I'm just using that. I don't know if there's a filbert brush or just a small little brush, and the bristles are kind of tough on it. So, but you know, the cool thing about these tough brushes is you can kind of get a little bit of texture by just scraping it in and just get some nice little textures. You know, I might actually add a little more trees right over here in the background. Why not? You know, why not? All right, now I need to do something with this sky. I just really not vibing on the sky at all. Yeah, I think I could use a little more of like gray, like, I don't know. I just don't really like this blue sky. Like, I almost want it like to be a little more like a dirty, grayish, pinkish color. I don't know. Kind of like that, I guess. Yeah, I already like that a lot better. Like that blue, I just wasn't really feeling that blue that much. So, I guess I need to put it down here too. Already like this painting a lot better. It's just becoming a better painting in my opinion. I don't know. Or just, not that the other one was bad, it's just, this resonates with me more, I guess is the way to say it. It looks like my wife's pulling up. She's gonna judge me for talking to a camera. I know it. I just know it. I don't know. Maybe get a few little clouds right here. Need some type of thing. I don't know. Get tweak this reddish to make it a little more like an orangish. Then maybe get a little bit of an orange tone up there in the sky. Just want to kind of look and feel it out, you know? All right, that is a lot better painting. I think I like it. Hope you guys like it too. Kind of, let's see. Yeah, just kind of get an idea for it. Sorry, the light's really bright and shining on it, so I'll get it where you guys can kind of see without the light shining on it. But yeah, there's the idea. Hope you guys like the edit to this painting.